How to create a Slack webhook URL. So the first step is to go to Slack API and click on sign into Slack and basically sign into your workspace. After that, just simply click on create or select an app and click on create new app. Enter the name of your app and pick a workspace to develop your app in, and then simply click on create app. Once you've done that, go ahead and enable incoming webhooks. So in the left sidebar, click on the incoming webhooks and toggle the switch to on and click on add new webhook. So click on this option and then choose a channel to add your webhook to. Once you've done that, click on allow, and then you can now finally copy your webhook URL, as Slack will generate a unique webhook URL for your app. Just simply click on copy and securely save this URL. After that, you can begin testing your webhook by sending a test message using curl or postman to make sure it works. You should see the message in your selected channel. After that, you could send messages using the curl as shown here, and that's it, guys.